What's up, guys? Welcome back to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in today's video, we're taking a look at the general crypto markets. We have a green day in the markets today. Ron is up 15%. Matic is up 17%. That's good to see. We have Atom is up 11%. Avax is up 8%. That's actually nice to see. We have a good bounce in the altcoin market. Altcoin is actually bouncing really well, but Bitcoin is still stalling, guys. Bitcoin is still stalling at 20,400. How low will Bitcoin go? Is this a stall before the dump? Is the dump over? Are we going to pump it to new all-time highs? Only time will tell right now. We want to see Bitcoin really pump to that $22,000 region. 22,000 is around Bitcoin 200-week moving average. Bitcoin has been stalling for a very long time. Bitcoin is still around that 20,000 region. You can see that Bitcoin moving average 200-week moving average is currently at 22,400, and that's the line in the sand for Bitcoin. We expected Bitcoin to close last week above 22,400, but Bitcoin didn't do that. So right now, Bitcoin is still in the trenches. Guys, taking a look at new stories happening in the crypto space, taking a look at the total crypto market cap. And let's start with this wonderful Solana news. And Solana just had a wonderful pump right here. Solana actually started pumping from as low as $26, and Solana is up 42% from the lows it set on the 13th of June 2021. And guys, Solana Labs is building a Web3 mobile phone. Crazy news. This is the first of its kind in the crypto space. The Solana Labs is building a Web3 mobile phone. The backers of Solana blockchain say the device will cost around $1,000 and be available for delivery in early 2023. It's nice to see a crypto network actually making a mobile phone. The Solana network is getting its own mobile phone called Saga. It's going to be an Android phone, and it's going to be focused mainly for crypto, and it costs around $1,000. The phone marks Solana biggest yet. The phone marks Solana bets yes on mobile focused growth. It will feature a Web3 dApps decentralized app store integrated into Solana Play. Guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. What do you think about the new Solana mobile phone that will be coming in 2023? Will you be getting some for yourself? Let's take a look at Ethereum price chart. Ethereum is still holding $1,100. Ethereum currently trading for $1,098. Ethereum set an all-time high in 2021 of $4,800, and since then Ethereum has been on a steady decline and finally dropped to a low in 2022. Ethereum got below $900. We saw Ethereum trading for $898. Right now Ethereum is holding $1,000. It looks as if we have one final flush to the downside. Where do you think Ethereum will finally dump? Some people are calling for $850. I think Ethereum might get to $750. I actually think to get there. Sentiments in the market, guys, we are still in extreme fear. A lot of people are scared in the market right now. People don't want to actually buy any crypto. People are waiting to see what will happen. People are waiting for that FOMO time. There's extreme fear. Last month we're in extreme fear. Last week extreme fear. Yesterday extreme fear. Today we're currently in extreme fear. It's good to see, but guys, history has always shown, and I'll keep telling you guys, this is actually the best time to get these altcoins. Not altcoins, this is the best time to get Bitcoin. Altcoins are still very risky right now. I'll be showing you why altcoins are very risky. But first, let's take a look at the top of the crypto market. You see on number one we have Bitcoin. Bitcoin is still the king of the market. We're looking at the top 10 cryptocurrencies by market capitalization in the last 24 hours. Bitcoin is still currently at number one, and you can get one Bitcoin for over $20,000. You can get Ethereum over $1,100 at number 3 and number 4. We have the stablecoin battle going on, and USD Theta is just above USDC by just $11 billion. We'll be following that very closely. BNB and Binance USD at number 5 and number 6, and Binance occupying number 5 and number 6. Shout out to them, just signed a partnership with Ronaldo. We'll be checking out that news very quickly. XRP is at number 7 and number 8. We have Ada Cardano number 9. Solana decided they are going to be releasing a mobile phone. We'll be checking that news again. And at number 10 we have in the top gainers in the last 24 hours, we have Matic, we have Ron, we have Kovda, we have NG, and we have Solana. And in the losers section, we have SDC, we have Caitlyn, we have Tron, and we have IOTA. Those are the losers in the last 24 hours. Guys, drop your thoughts in the chat. Tell me which altcoins are you holding, which altcoins do you want us to review. Very disturbing is that Bitcoin and Ethereum dominance is almost setting a new low. You can see that Bitcoin and Ethereum dominance has gotten to this 59% region. 3 in there, I think will break into new lows. And normally you would have expected all season for altcoins, and normally we're supposed to expect alt season for altcoins if we're seeing Bitcoin and Ethereum dominance getting to a new low. But right now it looks like as if we're deep in the bear market. We will not be expecting Bitcoin and Ethereum to set Right now, guys, we're in the depth of the bear market, and Bitcoin and Ethereum dominance is setting a new low. Probably stablecoin dominance is increasing. Let's take a look at the stablecoin dominance in the market. We're taking the total crypto market very soon. Stablecoin dominance in the market is getting to a new high, and this chart is USDC, US Theta, USDC, Theta, DEA, and Binance USD. Those are the top stablecoins in the crypto market, and right now you can see that they are setting a new all-time high. They actually got to a high here on the 18th of June 2022. The stablecoin dominance got to as high as 18%. Right now it's at 14%. I still think we'll still set a new high. So if you see the Bitcoin and Ethereum dominance actually falling, guys, I don't think we'll be seeing all season anytime soon. What will happen is that we'll actually be seeing the stablecoin dominance increase. That means we're actually going to dump further. And how low are we going to dump? Only time will tell right now. But I can see Bitcoin probably dumping to as low as 12,000. We'll be checking out the news report that say Bitcoin can dump as low as $10,000. Crazy. I don't expect Bitcoin to go that low. But guys, at this point in time, everything is on the table. These coins can actually go very, very low. Let's take a look at some news happening in the crypto space. Voyager Digital cuts withdrawal amounts as CAC contagious ripple through DeFi and CeFi. Traders break for more bad news after headlines revealed that Voyager Digital lent $655 million to 3 Arrow Capital in another crypto market sell-off on the way. Guys, drop it out in the comment section. Do you think another sell-off is on the way? Because right now it looks as if the Tracy stuff is not overweight. It looks as if we'll still have the effect of the dump. Because right now we're hearing that Voyager Digital have cut withdrawal. And remember, this is what happened with Celsius before we had that great dump in July, and the Singapore-based venture firm 3 Arrow Capital failed to meet its financial obligations on June 15, and this caused severe impairment among centralized lenders, providers like Bebel Finance, and staking providers like Celsius. So crazy. Do you think we're going to dump? Do you think the contagious is going to continue in the crypto market? Because right now we have been hearing news of how FTX is bailing out some of this firm, but still it looks as if the dump is still coming. So how much capital the Tracy actually managed that wasn't off balance sheet? Unsecured derivatives and offshore trading on Debris, $650 million of unsecured loan with Voyage, offering protocol companies 8 to 10% on their cash balances. What else? Because right now it looks as if these guys are going to take the crypto market down with them. And foolish to deny Bitcoin price can go under 10K. Analysts say. And guys, it's actually true. Right now, if Bitcoin is in the bear market, you want to be ready for every and all possibilities. You don't want to rule out any possibility. And 10,000 is on the horizon. Yes, a lot of people are talking about Bitcoin bottoming at 16K. I included. I believe Bitcoin will find its bottom around that range, maybe 16,000, around $14,000 region. But guys, from 16,000 to 10,000 is just a 50% dump, and Bitcoin can actually do that in one day. And with the news that we're hearing that the Fed is actually going to reduce their balance sheet, that is not actually good for us. If the Fed is going to reduce their balance sheet, we want to be really careful, because guys, if the Fed is reducing their balance sheet, that is bad for the crypto market. That's bad for all coins. You don't want to be holding any altcoins when that is happening, because the altcoins will tank really crazy. The altcoins will tank really crazy if anything like that is happening. And let's see other news happening in the crypto space. Cristiano Ronaldo to get football fans into Web3 partnership. Cristiano Ronaldo to get football fans into Web3 with Binance partnership. Cristiano Ronaldo said the idea of bringing new experience with fans through NFT is something that he wanted to be part of. That's good to see. I actually noticed the trend, guys. What's happening right now is that Binance is actually signing a lot of agreements, making a lot of move in the bear market. I'll be showing another news. Binance U.S. actually said they will actually be allowing people to buy Bitcoin with zero fees. And Binance, what I'm realizing that they are doing is they're trying to get so many people into the crypto space during the bear market, maybe so that when the pump comes, all the new customers will enjoy the pump and they'll get more people for them. That actually looks like a very good strategy. We can look at Bitcoin holders that are hints Bitcoin rally close to bottom. Yes, Bitcoin is close to the bottom than it is at the top right now, because guys, Bitcoin has been dumping really hard. Bitcoin dumped from as high as 69,000. Right now we're at 20,400, 20,500. Even if you held only Bitcoin in the market, you would have still been down over 70%. A lot of these altcoins are down over 90%. Bitcoin, the king of the market, is down over 74% in the bear market. And we know that anytime Bitcoin is down around these percentages, we're almost getting to the bottom. The last time in 2019 that Bitcoin was down 75%, and Bitcoin was already trading at 4,500. Bitcoin was almost at the bottom, because Bitcoin bottomed around 3,200 in 2018. This might be your last chance to get some altcoins. Might be your last chance to get Bitcoins. Do your research and look at those projects that actually have real use cases, because it looks as if the next bull run, utility will be the way. Transparent financial system will get real traction, blockchain executive argue. A lot of people like the blockchain because you can see everything happening, and when the social situation was happening, guess what? We could actually see a lot of people liquidation prices and all. And right now, a lot of people are saying that maybe the financial firms do not want to embrace the blockchain because a lot of them have shady deals and they don't want other people to know what they are doing. Some people still like privacy. Yes, the whole point of crypto, people want to be anti-government, but at the same time, banks still have their uses in the world. Now, Coinbase to shut down Coinbase Pro to merge trading services. I saw this news on Twitter. A lot of people are complaining. Apparently, I'm not a Coinbase user, but apparently Coinbase had two platforms, one for pro users and one for regular users. Right now, in 2018, they launched Coinbase Pro, and it's designed to feature unlimited trading volume, supporting more than 250 cryptocurrencies. But right, if you're a Coinbase user and you're watching this video, guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Tell me, what do you think about what Coinbase is doing? And Coinbase just recently laid off some staffs, which was crazy. During the top of the bull run, they were signing sponsorship left and right. They had the Super Bowl ads, and somebody was arguing, you would have not had the Super Bowl ad and you would have still gotten to keep your staffs and all. But I mean, they will argue that the Super Bowl ads gave them a lot of publicity. Moving on, in the crypto space, on the brink of recession, can Bitcoin survive its first global economic crisis? Guys, Bitcoin was created after the 2008 global financial crisis. Right now, it looks as if the world is tearing towards recession. Everybody's feeling the pain. Can Bitcoin survive recession? Will Bitcoin stand the test of time? Because right in 2008, when the global recession happened, we realized that government would bail all these bankers, and then Satoshi thought about it. You know what? Government can't keep printing unlimited amount of money, and he printed this. The first block of Bitcoin had the times 03 January 2009, Chancellor on the brink of second bailout for banks, and that's why Bitcoin is dear, guys. We can only have 21 million Bitcoins. Guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Do you think Bitcoin can survive a recession? Or I want to see Bitcoin crash below 10K, maybe to as low as 5K, 3K, because if the world is heading towards recession, and we're hearing the Fed saying they are going to actually increase interest rates and they are not backing down, they are going to continue increasing interest rates. And guys, you know that Bitcoin has been tanking since we have been hearing news of the Fed increasing interest rates. So will Bitcoin survive this economic recession? Only time will tell. But right now, Bitcoin is not actually holding up very well. And Nixo hires Citibank to advise on acquisition during market turmoil. And we brought you news that Nixo was planning to buy Celsius out when Celsius had the issues, and Celsius didn't reply. But right now, we're hearing that Nixo, the lending platform, says its strong balance sheet means it can ride the rescue to provide liquidity during the current market turmoil by acquiring assets of struggling firm. In a post, Nixo announced that it's currently receiving advice from banking giant Citigroup on how to acquire the assets of insolvent crypto firms so that investors can regain access to their funds. That's good news to see. We are seeing other crypto firms trying to take over other crypto firms. During the bear market, that's when all the savvy moves are made. During the bull run is when you want to accumulate capital for the bear market. It looks like Nixo actually played out well. Right now, they have a lot of liquidity, and all these crypto firms are folding up because of lack of liquidity. Nixo is saying they want to actually acquire some of them. That's good to see. We hope they get the good advice. But some firms are actually suffering the plunge. Voyager shares drop over 60%, and we have races for crypto stocks. A lot of the stocks that are tied to crypto companies have been seeing a plunge, because if the crypto market is tanking, the aligning stocks of those companies will tank. MicroStrategy, Coinbase, and now we are seeing Voyager. News got out that they borrowed over $650 million to 3AC, and 3AC is actually insolvent right now. Coinbase has 14 billion, is one of the dumbest things I have ever seen in public market. Rival maybe by Apple, trading at 50% above its cash balance in 2008. I can't believe boomer mispricing is going to cost me to move money into stocks account. So many people are saying stocks are actually cheap right now, including Coinbase stock. Coinbase stock has been tanking since when Bitcoin has been tanking. Moving on to other news, Binance is making the battle really hot. Binance, the biggest exchange in the world, the US branch of Binance, is making BTC trading free. So if you're buying Bitcoin with Binance.US, you're not going to pay any fee for buying Bitcoin. And guys, this will actually give a lot of people incentives to buy Bitcoin. I'm enjoying what Binance is doing in the bear market. They're encouraging a lot of people to get into crypto. As far as people still believe in Bitcoin, money is trust. As far as people trust Bitcoin, that won't get more than 21 million Bitcoins, and that Bitcoin is not controlled by any state in particular, people always trust it. I don't think all the applications and all the businesses that are built on Bitcoin will just go puff in the air. If that happens, to affect a lot of people. All this is just fraud. I believe all this is fraud. Don't let the bankers steal your coin. Don't let all these countries actually get your coin, because that's what they do. They want to fraud you out of your position. Crypto unicorn index is still at 50. We only have 50 projects that have a market cap of over $1 billion. It looks as if the market is stalling right here, Bitcoin included. Are we going to dump? Are we going to pump? And history has shown that anytime Bitcoin finds its bottom, we actually range. So Bitcoin is not just going to come, bounce, and start going into the moon. Like we had that during the COVID sell-off, but here the government printed crazy amount of money, so it doesn't actually count. The normal Bitcoin bottom, we expect Bitcoin to range for maybe 2-3 months. So you actually have enough time to accumulate Bitcoin during the bear market. And crypto unicorn index, and guys, look at the alt season index, is showing us that, and we're not in alt season, we're more likely near Bitcoin season than alt season. So I've been giving you guys this warning over and over again. All coins are very risky during the bear market. A lot of these altcoins get outperformed by Bitcoin, and when Bitcoin is pumping in the bear market, the altcoins don't pump that hard. And when Bitcoin is dumping, guess what? They dump that hard. But the funny thing that's happening in the 2022 bear market is that all coins have been holding up very well, which is surprising to a lot of individuals, myself included. All coins didn't tank when Bitcoin tanked violently from as high as 25,000 down to 17,000. All coins did not have that kind of major dump. Yes, we had a little dump in the altcoin market, but all coins just dumped exactly 28%. Bitcoin, as a matter of fact, Bitcoin and Ethereum dumped way lower than that. So it got everybody scratching their head like, what's happening? Bitcoin dropped over 45% during that period in time. Ethereum, well, how many percent did Ethereum drop during that period of time? From May 11, Ethereum dumped over 65. Ethereum dropped over 56% during that period in time. It's very crazy, and all coins just dumped 28%. So all coins are actually holding up very well. And guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Which all coins are you holding? And the crypto market is actually just stalling. We're waiting for Bitcoin to show us the direction. Guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. I want to hear what you think about that. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to like this video. You can check out my channel. I have other videos. I release videos every day. See you guys in my next video. Bye.